For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Kuldeep Yadav has been a revelation in the Indian side. He first burst out to the scenes 3 seasons back and has made a name for himself with his performance. The 25-year-old has grown in stature and confidence with every match he has played for the country. But one man who has played a vital role in Kuldeep's growth is former Indian skipper MS Dhoni. Be it providing slightest of information or sharing valuable inputs on how to bowl to a particular batsman, MS Dhoni from behind the stumps has played a key part in evolution of Kuldeep Yadav when it comes to international cricket. Now the young left-arm wrist spinner has said that he was never dependent on Mahi for reaping success in the international arena. Just because Mahi Bhai hasn't played after the World Cup, I don't need to prove anything to anyone. I don't need to say if I was dependent on him. I can just work towards bettering my craft, and as I said, it's teamwork. Of course, Mahi Bhai has always guided me because the wicketkeeper is always the best judge of the bowler. Someone like Mahi Bhai is experienced and has an idea about how a batsman plays. All of this is teamwork. Kuldeep Yadav has proven to be an X-factor for the Men in Blue in the recent past. Whenever India was in dire need of a wicket, Kuldeep was more often than not provided the much-needed breakthrough. But his recent statement regarding impact of MS Dhoni on his success has indeed come as a sort of a shock, and even stats reveal how much of an impact MS Dhoni has had on Kuldeep's success. In 47 matches that Kuldeep Yadav has played alongside MS Dhoni in the batting 11, the Chinaman has bagged 91 wickets, an excellent economy rate of just 4.86. Kuldeep bagged 4 wickets in match 4 times, while once he bagged a fifer. His best figures in a match read 6 wickets for 25 runs. MS Dhoni has not played for India since the World Cup semi-final lost against New Zealand. Since then, Kuldeep Yadav's bowling has seen a dip and is somewhat struggling to keep his spot in the playing 11. Post 2019 World Cup, in 9 matches Kuldeep has played without MS Dhoni in playing 11. The wrist spinner has been able to pick only 11 wickets at an economy rate of 6. Kuldeep's best figures during this time period reads 3 wickets for 52 runs. It was 2017 when Kuldeep Yadav first represented India on international scene, and he soon made an impression on the big stage. In his very first test match, the Chinaman weaved his magic, which was pivotal in India's series win against Australia. From then on, the 25-year-old went on to represent India in all 3 formats and soon became one of the mainstays of the Indian bowling attack. Along with his spin bowling partner Yuzvendra Chahal, Kuldeep has been crucial for India, especially in the middle overs. The duo, with their consistent bowling, has more often than not stifled the batsmen for runs. Though Kuldeep has said that he can perform without Dhoni's expertise, stats paint a different picture. Now, it will be interesting to see how the 25-year-old proves his critics wrong in the coming days, with Dhoni unlikely to come to his rescue under high-pressure situation.